Hey, to make the phone calls through your HUAWEI Watch Fit 3, first of all, you have to just navigate into the settings and you will have to find two apps, Call Log or Contacts. So if you actually import some contacts through your smartphone and have up into the Watch Fit 3, you have to just click here and select your contact, and now your watch will actually make the phone call through your smartphone. Also, you can pick last contacts from the call log, so you can click on the contact, and if you are using two SIM cards in your smartphone and you didn't set up in the settings the default SIM card, you will get the pop-up notification to select your SIM card to make this phone call. But you can actually speak through your watch, so you don't have to actually keep it close to your mouth and ear when making the call. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.